feel good. ऐसा कभी आपके लाइफ में हुआ है तो वो बताएं.
आई थिंक खुशबू सबके लिए बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ होती है, यू नो. जब आप अच्छा खाना जब खाने की महक आती है अच्छी खासी, तो आपको और भूख लगता है, आपको अच्छा लगता है, यू नो. जब आप किसी के जुल्फ़े को सूंघते हैं और यू नो अच्छी खुशबू आती है, तो आपको आपका प्यार का क्वोशंट बढ़ जाता है उनके लिए, यू नो. जब मुझे अपने माँ का स्मेल बहुत याद है, यू नो. मेरी नानी का स्मेल बहुत अच्छी तरीके से याद है, यू नो. कभी कभी आप आपके गांव जाते हो या यू नो शहर जाते हो और किसी नुक्कड़ या गली से जब आप गुजरते हो, एक स्मेल आती है जो इट क्रिएट्स लॉट ऑफ मेमोरीज. सो आई थिंक सेंट इज सच अ इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड वाइटल पार्ट ऑफ ऑल आवर लाइव्स एंड ऑल आवर एग्जिस्टेंस, यू नो. आपके बच्चे की खुशबू, you know, I mean so it's yes very very important. मेरे बच्चे अब बड़े होने लगे हैं, ओके, और वो खेलते हैं कूदते हैं और पसीना आता है उनके बालों में, और फिर वो आते हैं और मैं सोचता हूँ वो उसी 2 साल की बेटी जो मेरी जिसकी खुशबू थी वही आएगी इनके बदन से, और मैं बोलता ये क्या है, जाके बाल धो, यू नो. बट या सो आई थिंक सेंट इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट और बहुत अच्छी यादें आती हैं. It does create a certain amount of nostalgia in you, and it does create a good vibration. So yes, there are lots of things, and I think आपके दोनों सवालों का जवाब इसी में आ गया होगा.
Next question, please.
Yeah, good afternoon to both the gentlemen. My question is to both of you. I think in the video we saw that you're talking about how it should not be just applied on the clothes. It's actually meant for the skin. So don't you think you know these commercials should be a little bit more informative in terms of showing the customer how it needs to be used? Because a lot of people don't know. They've just learned it by looking at people how they're using it. So probably the application, when it should be applied, because there were a lot of things which I myself learned today in the morning session. So probably something.
So you know, let me take this question. The first thing is the television rates are so high कि you know 30 सेकंड में आप क्या क्या दिखाओगे. अगर हम एजुकेशन करने लगे तो भाई ब्रांड कैसे प्रमोट होगा. बट ऑन अ लाइटर नोट एंड ऑन अ मोर सीरियस नोट, if you go seeking for this information, now that you've heard about the challenge, you will see that on the internet there is a lot of information which educates how should this product be used, how should this category of deodorant be used. So there is a lot of information. I think what it required was somebody like Nivea coming and talking about the real issue, which is odor. There is a lot of information, you can get it. So I think what we are trying to do is, by making this product and by talking about the real issue, maybe the awareness also goes up.
Next question, please.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello. Good afternoon. This is for Arjun Rampal. I'd like to ask you that how does it feel to be described as the most handsome actor in Bollywood?
You know, Dharamji was on flight with me just 3 days ago. I think he's the most handsome actor, really. I mean, till now he is such a beautiful man, and beauty is really in the eyes of the beholder. A lot of people think I'm ugly also, but really beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, but scent is not. Okay, scent is for real. So I think as long as people think I smell good, I'll be happy. Okay, looks, jo bhi, whatever, it's each person's, up to each person, how they see people.
Sorry, we have time for one last question. Does someone already have a mic? Yeah, go ahead.
Hi. My question is to Arjun. We are seeing now that many products are getting banned in India. So my question is, what precautions you have taken before endorsing this product?
I used this 6 months before it came out. Nothing, I think I'm fine so far. Okay. So I have used them, and as I told you, I only endorse brands that I use. And Nivea is, if you come to my home ever and you go to my washroom, you will see just a lot of Nivea products which I use daily, and I can swear by them that they don't have any damaging effects on you. In fact, they only benefit you, and what they say is what they deliver. So I stand by Nivea as a brand, and hopefully Nivea stands by my statement going forward in the future.
Thank you, Arjun.
नहीं यार छुट्टी पे हूँ तो मैंने बाल काट दिए घर में भी थे.
All right. Thank you, Arjun, very much for your time here, for your open candor with everyone. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we will close this very, very exciting day. Can we just get a photo? We'll have a photo opportunity right now. And for the rest of the people here, remember to keep Ban Body Odor hashtag alive. And we'd invite you to have some refreshments outside. So thank you.
हाँ, जब भी मैं निविया के लिए शूट करता हूँ तो वो फिट होना ही पड़ता है, क्योंकि एक लाइफस्टाइल ब्रांड है जो वो चाहते हैं कि मैं लोगों के लिए एक रोल मॉडल सा बनूं, तो एक फिटनेस, हाइजीन, हेल्थ, ये सारी चीज़ें निविया के साथ एसोसिएटेड हैं, तो बहुत ज़रूरी है मेरे लिए भी, तो अच्छी बात है, वो मुझे फिट होने के पैसे देते हैं. Yes, I think so. I think it is very, very important for anybody to smell good and to be aware of how they are smelling. And if they are not smelling good, to be aware that they're not smelling good and to take correct precautions about it. Because it is, sometimes you get used to your own smell, but it is the other people who are suffering. And like as you saw in this new commercial that we've made, your own child. और मैं I've been associated with Nivea for over 3 years now. This is my 3rd year with them, and जितने भी उनके products हैं वो सारे मैं use करता हूँ, और वो मेरे घर पे भी हैं. मैं अपने दोस्तों को भी encourage करता हूँ to use them. In fact, इनका जो नया shower gel निकला है बहुत ही कमाल का shower gel है, और मैं कहीं का भी shower gel today I can afford to go and buy. But I use the Nivea shower gel because I genuinely believe that it is one of the best shower gels I've used. Their face wash is absolutely fantastic. I've been using it for 3 years. Or low bull I'm looking younger, so that's good. Yes, I'm doing Rock On 2. We start shooting it in August, and I'm also doing Daddy. वो चल रही है अभी उसकी शूटिंग, and we'll go on till the end of it.